Right now, the businesses around you are bleeding money, not because their product is terrible or their service is horrible, but because they're leaking customers every single day. Look, just think about it. When a business misses a call, or they forget to follow up with the lead, or they take too long to reply, that customer's completely gone forever. You'll never see him again. See, but look, this is the beauty of all this. With a simple AI automation, you can fix those leaks of missing leads, follow-ups, etc., and a business will be willing to pay you. And so in this video, we're going to be breaking down what exactly AI automation is, how it works, how to actually use it, and how you can start using it as a beginner to start making real income, not within years, not within months, but just within weeks. So for example one, a personal trainer. Someone clicks a get started link or something like that within your page in the middle of the night. Without automations, that lead is completely gone. With automations, they get an instant text back saying, hey, thanks for this, checking us out, woo, woo, woo. You want to book a consultation call? That client is completely saved as opposed to somebody not responding to them. Or example number two, a beauty hair salon. Let's say they missed a call or they missed a text. Instead of losing that customer, the system instantly texts them saying, sorry we missed your call, would you want to book an appointment with us? And that instantly recovers that lead instead of losing them forever. Example number three, a local gym. They set up an automatic reminder that confirms classes and reduces no-shows and fills the spots that used to get lost. And these aren't just tech tricks that anybody could just do. I mean, these are actual systems that directly add money into a business, and you provide that value, which is why they're willing to pay you. Now, how can you profit off this? Now, here's the most exciting part of all this. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to invest into a brand new software that XYZ. You just need to learn how to use these simple tools that already exist and build an automation off this. Now, here's the play that we're going to be doing. We're going to learn one or two simple automation tricks, like let's say a missed call text back or an appointment booking, and we're going to offer that to one or two businesses who clearly actually need it, and we're going to offer $300 to $500 a month to manage it and maintain it. Even with just 3 clients, you're making $900 to $1,500 a month. That's actual consistent recurring income, and it scales as you learn. Now, a lot of people question, why is this skill actually valuable? Most people online are just chasing fast money. The difference between that and this is that you're actually not hustling, you're actually building a skill. It's a skill that businesses desperately need. A skill that could potentially pay you off for the next couple of years, and not only that, but it's a skill that it's only getting more valuable as AI becomes more mainstream. Think about it, right now, most small businesses don't even know where to start, don't even know what an automation is, and that's the opening for you. You can be that person who brings it for them. So a question, how to start? Look, just pick one automation and don't overwhelm yourself, and offer it to one business owner you potentially already know, and just continue to keep getting them reps in. Then once you've seen that work, you can reach out to more businesses and actually charge them. And that's basically it. I mean, as long as you learn, you rinse and repeat it, your confidence is only going up, and so does your income. AI automation happens to be one of the simplest, most fastest way to start making money online, because you're not guessing, you're actually solving a problem for a business. If you want me to break down step by step how to launch your first automation, please subscribe now. Please drop the word automate down below in the comments if you want me to cover the exact same system I built first. And make sure to like this video for more beginner-friendly videos like this to learn how to make money, teach you more skills, and how to make actual income. So yeah, guys, with that being said, guys, take care. I'm still new to this, guys. Bear with me. Take care. Deuces.